Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. DOT is moving up a little bit and reacted actually to our support area there yesterday at around, what was that, $7.84. Yeah, it came down to the 38.2 retracement level, an ideal target for a fourth wave, or generally the ideal support area, support level for a wave 4. It's not really a target, but most wave 4s react to that level. So we're going to take a look at that in a minute. The idea is still that, we're tracking primarily this yellow wave count, in which wave 4 already bottomed on the 23rd of January. In an alternative perspective, but it's only the alternative, there can still be another move down into this yellow support area, but it would take a break below $7.30 to confirm that further. And yeah, there are certain swing lows that need to be taken out. It's actually not 7.30, it's the last swing low is at 7.25, and then we have this area at 6.60. Yeah, but for now I think it was correct. It was the correct decision to remain carefully focused on further upside because it's a bullish market. And the yellow wave count suggests that this fourth wave bottomed, and we were watching for a 5-wave move to the upside. So looking at it, we had a wave 1, had a wave 2. Then here an A, B, C structure, and possibly wave 3 completed. Then we had a dip into a support area, could really have been wave 4 already, and maybe wave 5 is unfolding now. So structurally, it is possible that this dip was wave 4. It was, however, very small for a wave 4. So I could imagine maybe this was only the A wave of the wave 4. This move up, this tiny move up, was a B wave, and we could very well, retest that support area again. So for me to really, let's say, get a first idea that a more substantial top has already formed, I would need to see a break below $7.30, because then it is certainly not the wave 4 anymore. Ultimately, to call a 5-wave move complete, I really need to see a break above the third wave high. This would not be a reliable 5-wave move yet. Yes, I could. I mean, it still looks like 3, to be honest, from what we've done now. It would need to extend further to call it a 5th wave. Or we get a more healthy wave 4 by dipping into the support area and then moving up. But bottom line is, as long as this orange support area isn't broken to the downside, I remain focused on higher. I don't have any other support area to offer. I think it has to remain there because, as I said, it could form a more extended ABC structure. Support area remains on the chart, therefore still relevant. And to be honest, if we see further upside, well, as long as it's holding 7.30, further upside would be counted as wave 5 of 5. And the minimum target it would really need to reach, not by Fib levels, but more like structurally, because the 5th wave needs to move above the 3rd wave high. I want to see it above 960. I want to see it above 960. And it's just a choppy diagonal. I mean, this is not impulsive, at least not yet. So yeah, focus on higher against 730. Next Fibonacci levels to watch are 936, which is pretty much where that high point is, 977. And then we actually have, I need to add that one, the 2.382 Fib level. Let's just add it to the chart. 1054 and then 1105. Okay, so and it really takes a break below 730 to give us a first idea that a more substantial top is formed. The move up looks really, terribly choppy. So again, it's not diagonal. It has to be diagonal. It's not an impulse. And yeah, the alternative I think is clear. Alternative support area, if we're losing the structural support levels up here and also break below that trend line, is here between 440 and 585. So there would be sort of something where if we get into this area, it would be the white count. But as long as we're holding the support levels, the yellow count. And then as soon as we have a top in place, 5 waves up basically, we can watch for the next pullback, and I will give you the next support. But look at the structure. It looks really, really tortured. It looks really tortured what happened here. Okay, so that's all I can say at the moment about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.